Sierra Air Conditioning and Plumbing have been serving Las Vegas homeowners for nearly 40 years and are celebrating by gifting something to you.
Here to talk all about the work and potential, or what you could potentially get your hands on, is Brianna Mercado. Good morning, Brianna. How are you doing?
Hi, thank you so much. Thank you for having me.
Well, we're thrilled to have you on. Congratulations on 40 years. Obviously not you yourself personally.
Yeah.
But a little bit about the history of Sierra and what you guys do and you know, what makes you unique.
Yeah, absolutely. It's a family-owned company. We started in 1987 with 3 dads and a dream, and it's just built into this lovely legacy that we have.
Yeah, you know, obviously we're on the cusp of fall. We've been talking about this all day, including our centerpiece.
We're a bit focused on that,
We are. But what should homeowners be thinking about service-wise during this season?
Honestly, their maintenance. Vegas is so dusty, and you don't realize that you're supposed to be doing your filters once every month. And preventative maintenance just saves so much money in the long run. We actually have a SAM plan that's $16 a month. And you get a cooling, a heating, a plumbing, and an emergency trip, all for $16 a month. So
That's
it's less than
Netflix
Netflix.
Plan, right?
Yeah. Just make sure you got everything in, everything ticked off for the season. We mentioned it at the beginning, and I'm sure everyone's dying to hear about this. You have this incredible giveaway that you guys are about to start doing. So what is it, and how do our viewers at home enter into it?
Yeah, so we're giving away a free AC, a free thermostat, and 4 UNLV tickets.
Wow.
Yeah.
Incredible.
All you have to do is go to our website and enter. It takes like 1 to 2 minutes.
That's it?
Yeah, and be a homeowner.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Very cool.
There's a catch.
Yeah. So why is something like doing something like this and really giving back to the local community so important for you guys?
I think it's our community. It's our community in our business, how we operate, our culture, and it's just so important to us because Vegas is built on community out here, and I don't think we have enough community, and these nonprofits need more help. Our newer generation, they need more help, so we're just happy to give back. Vegas has always been good to us. So
yeah, I was going to say, like when you consider where you guys came from, like you said, three dads and a dream, was it? But again, can we just a little go back to some of the things that people need to bear in mind, because I'm sure you get this all the time, and people call up and it's like the air conditioning's gone, this is broken, this is falling apart, and it could have been rectified by someone doing some simple stuff. You talked about the sand thing you guys do. What are some of the simple things people can make sure? Just to be careful of, like, what do they need to look out for with their air conditioning? What should they do before they turn on their heating, as the cooler temperatures come in?
Yeah.
What are some of the things they need to bear in mind and just, like, make sure, like, yep, that's fine, or I need to call Sierra?
Honestly, I think you should definitely get a maintenance at least every 6 months, so heating and cooling, just to check everything, making sure it's good. Your warranty's good, so you're not spending that big money in the long run. The biggest thing, too, is don't turn off your AC. You spend more money when you turn off your AC, because then when you turn it on, it works twice as hard, maybe even 3 times, depending on how old your unit is. Yeah, and then your filters is a big thing. A lot of people don't change out their filters months and months and months, and then you're breathing that air in your house, and it's disgusting.
I mean, outside from, obviously breathing the air, which is no good, this is especially for a lot of us who suffer from allergies, what does something like that lead to in understanding, like, how frequent you need to be changing these? What issues can that lead to?
It's kind of just like your laundry, right? When you don't change out that filter, it can burn out the system, and now you don't have an AC unit.
All right.
Yeah.
Just a reminder for our viewers, so in case they haven't written this down, what the giveaway is, everything that's entailed, and how they can enter, what they need to do to enter.
Yeah, so you can win a free AC system, a thermostat, and 4 UNLV tickets. All you do is go to sierracoolslv.com, click on the banner at the top, and enter into the giveaway. Takes like about 1 to 2 minutes.
Excellent. There it is. Well, thank you so much for joining us.
Of course. Thank you so much for having me.
Happy anniversary as well.
Oh, yeah. For all your air conditioning and plumbing needs, not to mention their full AC system giveaway that includes installation as well as the 4 UNLV Rebel tickets. Head to sierracoolslv.com/giveaway.